Welcome to MealMode Monday. We got, I'd say, my favorite pasta dish that I make almost once a week. It's olive oil, butter, garlic, shallot, lemon-based little white wine pasta, broccoli in it. We got fresh basil. Then we got signature chicken cutlets. Same chicken cutlets you're gonna be using for 10,000 different meals. MealMode Monday. With the chicken cutlets again, we took our chicken breasts, we cut them in half, right through the middle, flat down. We beated it down with a beater. We threw the garlic powder, onion powder, a little adobo. And then we're gonna dump it in the egg, dump it in the breadcrumbs. We're gonna skip the flour on the chicken and just go straight to the breadcrumbs, keep a little bit more on the Italian side. Break this bad boy open today. Almost 2 pounds of some quality. It says packed in Italy, so hopefully it is. Probably New Jersey. As a discretionary warning, I am not a chef. I'm just a dad with some hungry kids, and we're hungry. And this ends up being a nice dinner on your table. This is a Monday night, so it's a little detailed for a Monday, but it's what's for dinner. Chicken cutlets, I'll say it each time. It's a perfect thing for a kid's lunch the next day. Every kid wants chicken nuggets, right? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But you make some quality homemade chicken cutlets. Your kid's gonna eat it every time you pack it, and you know what they're eating. It's gonna fill them up, give them that protein and fat. Chicken breast, you gotta fry it. There's no fat on it, so frying it up is the only way. We got good quality olive oil. It's gonna be delicious. So for ones with children, my go-to lunch, 3 out of 5 days, chicken cutlet. We go basic noodles for them, so I'll make a bunch of extra noodles on this round. Use maybe 2/3 of it for tonight's dinner. Then tomorrow, just give them some plain noodles, olive oil, salt, maybe lemon, and your basic veggies and fruits. And that's a solid lunch, simple, and they eat it. That's what works here, at least. Just gotta be patient. I double dip this one. Had a little extra egg, I could afford it. Sometimes it's a mistake. It gets too oiled up. That's not a nice cutlet, Marta. Damn it, Marta. This one's just a little too wild. All right, we got a pot of noodles on the stovetop, boiling up, probably about 10 minutes. I put the whole bag in. We'll get leftovers for tomorrow for everyone. I got another pan, olive oil, whole pan full of coated olive oil. That's for the chicken. Another pan, we're gonna slowly heat up on the slower side, and that's gonna be for the garlic, onion, shallots, and that's gonna be for the sauce. So coming up soon. Is this oil hot? I think so. We had a little dab of water pop on there, and now you can see it percolating through there. That's when you know that oil's warm enough. They're not made the same. These are the 2 primo. These are the boardwalk of the cutlets I made. I'm gonna go first on with these 2. My assistant warned me this was about to overboil. Farfalle? 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 Which one is it to you? Comment section. How do you pronounce farfalle? Farfalle. Now we're gonna move fast. We got a couple of things prepped, but we still have to prep. We got basil, and you could definitely use parsley. This just looked nice. Big pack of this I picked up, planning for this meal in my head. Always gotta start the day thinking what's for dinner. This one's a good choice. Hearty, it's a cold day, rainy day, nice hot plate of pasta. You gotta keep them growing. Them utes. Figure the finer you chop everything, the more likely it is that kids will eat it when they can't see it, what they're eating. So we're gonna cut this fine. Then we got that broccoli. We're gonna cut that in half. I like to cut that up a lot smaller too. You get a better ratio of all the juice, the butter, the olive oil on the broccoli. Makes it taste even better. Cooks it faster too. So. All right, get your broccoli. Cut it in half. It's probably good enough. Quarters, don't know if we have time, but let's do it. We'll go quarters. Quarter to halves, that's the size. All right, butter. Is there a top on this? There is. All right, dump it in. Dump the garlic. Dump the shallots in. Good. I don't know if there's an order for the herbs, but we're just gonna roll with it. It's gonna taste good. Noodles are done, about 10 minutes. We did a whole pack, and what you gotta do is these are gonna be sitting for maybe 10 minutes or longer. Olive oil. Help it not stick all together. If you don't do this, these are gonna be disastrous, ruined. A big clump of noodles. Mix it all up, just a little bit, enough to coat them. And this is a lot of lemon. This is essentially kind of like a lemon scampi-ish thingy where we're gonna go with a lot of lemon, the white wine. So, got the finer grater. Just put a bunch of lemon zest in there. We're gonna squeeze a lemon in as well, but you usually waste that skin, so it's good to get some use out of it. You can do as much or as little as you'd like. I like a lot of lemon. Now, let's squeeze some lemon into it. We'll get a little bit more juice this way too. Good for a whole lemon, easily. Mix this in. And then to get this broccoli to cook quick, we're gonna pretty much give it a steam. 5 minutes, 4 minutes probably. So we have a little bit more juice in the pan. The garlic's not gonna burn at this point. Added a whole lemon of juice. Turn the flame up a bit. Put the top on it. Sprinkle a little Sauvignon Blanc. So that's good there. This will be okay. It's gonna burn off. It's gonna be safe for all ages. Give it a mix. Let it cook up. Let's go. I'll make your plates right now. Get me some plates.